Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So kids, today we are going to start chapter number 6, Food, our basic need. Kids, all living beings need food and food give us energy for doing different activities such as studying, playing, walking, dancing, etc. Do you know kids, we eat different types of food like wheat, rice, vegetables, fruits, etc. The food that we eat contains substances that help our body to grow and stay healthy. And these substances are called nutrients. The main nutrients found in food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Besides these, food also contain rough phase and water. Based on what nutrients the food contains, they are grouped into 3 food groups: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Now let us have a look on these nutrients. Now first is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. The body works all the time. Even when you are asleep, your body is working. The body needs energy to work. There are 2 types of carbohydrates present in food: sugar and starch. Wheat, rice, potato and sweet potato contain starch. Okay, food items such as pastries and bananas contain sugar. People who do a lot of physical work such as farmers, sports person, etc. need a lot of carbohydrate to give more energy. So kids, that's all about carbohydrates. Now next one is proteins. Do you know kids? Proteins help in the growth of the body and the repair of worn out tissues and cells. They build our muscles too. Hence proteins are known as body building food. Food items such as milk, cheese, egg, fish, meat and pulses contain proteins. One more thing kids, do you know growing children need more proteins than adults? Okay, that's all about protein. Now kids, fats. Fats are present in food items such as oil, butter, ghee, cream, cheese, paneer and nuts. Fats are also give us energy. They provide more energy than carbohydrates. Our body needs fat in very small amounts. Consumption of excess fat is not good for health as they get stored in the body and increase the body weight. Kids, fat is not necessarily bad for the body. Adequate amount of fat provides warmth to the body. However, too much fat leads to obesity. Okay kids? Now kids, our next topic is vitamins and minerals. Our body requires vitamins and minerals in very small quantities. Vitamins and minerals help us to stay healthy and protect us from diseases. Hence they are known as protective food. Now fresh fruits, leafy vegetables, pulses, cereals and milk are some important sources of vitamins and minerals. Examples of vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E and example of minerals are iron and calcium. Now kids, minerals such as iron and calcium are required to keep our body healthy and strong. Calcium. First is calcium. Calcium makes bones and teeth strong. Milk, curd and nuts are some of the calcium-rich foods. Lack of iron in our body makes us feel tired and weak. Green leafy vegetables, oranges, apples are some of the iron-rich foods. To get minerals, we should eat vegetables, fruits, egg, fish, milk, salt and cereals. Okay kids? Roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in some green vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. It cannot be digested and does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it helps in the movement of food through the intestine and in the removal of waste from the body. That's why roughage is really very important for us. Now next is water. Water is very important for our body. It helps in digestion and maintains the body temperature. Our body loses water through sweat, breath and urine. In order to make up for this loss, we should drink plenty of water every day. Okay, that's all about the nutrients. Okay kids? Now move further. Balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? A balanced diet is a meal that contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber in the right proportion or amount. To stay healthy, we should always have a balanced diet. Okay kids, different food items contain different nutrients. To get all the nutrients that are necessary for our body, we have to eat a variety of food items. Okay, the requirement of nutrients differs from one individual to another. It depends on factors such as age, gender, health condition and level of activity of a person. Okay, so this is okay kids, that's all about different nutrients and balanced diet. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.